Put your hands together for Dipanshi Punia.
Good evening, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you all to express my views on the problem being faced by the students in their school and college life. So every student didn't have the same life. Some of them have good life.
Doesn't have the same life.
Doesn't have the same life. Some of them have good lifestyle and some of them face lot of problems. So the main problem they face are they didn't get the correct guidance and they don't get the correct guidance and they don't know the correct path of their life. Like if I talk about the students in school life, the main problem they face is that they stuck between their life about their future. They think a lot about their future. They don't know the correct path and lot of them make wrong decisions. And if I talk about the college students, they don't know, like most of them only prefer the degree. They don't know that skill are important. So at last I would like to say, like if we are stuck anywhere, we should go for correct guidance. Thank you to all for listening to me.
Nice. Put your hands together for